positive reinforcers that we use are these scented smelly stamps. They're really good. They're from a company called Center Enterprise. They're about $5 or $6 each. This one smells like, I don't know if anybody remembers, bubble yum or bubblicious, like a big piece like that. So first, I have my kids, and I tell them, if you want to keep your stamp, walk in the hallway. If you want me to go into your classroom, get a paper towel, wet it, and rub your stamp off, run in the hallway. And then I take a step back. Where's the responsibility of the behavior? On me or on them? Now, do I live in the world and now everyone's going to be like, yes, sir, and they're going to walk, or do I expect somebody to test me? 100%, immediately. There are people that live in the world, nicely done. There are people that live in the world that they give a consequence to a child, and then they go, please don't test me, please don't test me, please don't test me. I have my kid that will all of a sudden, then after I say, if you run, then no stamp. All they hear in their body is not about, I want the stamp. All they hear is, oh, you're telling me not to run. And then they don't have a choice about it. So they book down the hallway. And then I have the one teacher watch, and I go down and walk with the other kid. I don't say, stop, do this, and do that. It's not going to make a difference. Like how many, if a kid runs down the hallway, you tell them to stop, do they? Or do they like run faster? Okay? So then I get to the classroom, and I'll say to the child, you did such a good job today. And I talk about all the great things they did in the class. You did something wonderful and amazing, and you did such a great thing. And I walk over and I get the paper towel. Oh, and I love the way that you were helping out. Shh. And then as I'm talking, I go and I start wiping the kid's hand off. And they look at me. And they look at me actually surprised because I'm actually following through with what I said. So fast forward testing is let's get the testing done as soon as possible, just in case the kids don't believe me, because most of the adults in their life probably don't follow through. So why would they believe that we would?